Now you have noticed that for me, YouTube is fundamental in the process of learning the English language. It's something I firmly believe because in my case, it's the internet resource that has helped me the most. But it was not because I was watching videos from channels that were explaining grammar rules, shown in the previous videos. The truth is that the videos of those channels, I rarely watched them compared to other channels that I found much more interesting. I think it was because they reminded me the boring English classes that I had in school. And watching those videos for a long time is very boring. Of course, I don't want to demerit them because they helped me a lot and I learned so much from channels like Embed. For this reason, those were the first ones that I recommended in this section of the course. Now I'm going to show you some of the channels in which I learned English the most. There are channels that never explained me grammar, speaking, reading, and all that stuff. But they taught me interesting things that were brand new to me. Nothing like the things that I had learned in school or in the place I grew up. This is one of the most incredible things about learning English. The first channel that I'm going to mention belongs to a person who inspired me to start making videos. It's Gary Vaynerchuk's channel. He's an entrepreneur who shares all kinds of advice on entrepreneurship, marketing, and motivation in his channel. When I started watching his videos, for me it was very hard to understand him because he speaks very fast, but now I understand 100% when he is speaking. Other channels similar to Gary's are those of Evan Carmichael and Roberto Blake, who are also dedicated to entrepreneurship mostly. Another of my favorite channels is AlphaM. The YouTuber is someone dedicated to give advice for men in everything related to image, style, and personal care. Seriously, this channel is amazing. Currently, self-motivation is a very important part of my life. However, this is something quite recent. And one of the things that helped me the most was listening to the advice of some YouTubers dedicated to self-improvement. Among the best are the channels of Brian Tracy and Brendan Burchard. The videos on their channels are amazing, providing great value with all the advice they provide for free to anyone who watches their videos. Another thing that has always interested me is everything related to science and scientific research. For this reason, I also like watching videos from channels like SciShow, where they talk about these type of topics in a very interesting way, something almost impossible to find in traditional television. The point I want to make clear is that with a basic level of understanding, you will be able to enjoy all kinds of content on the internet, and at the same time, you will improve in English almost without realizing it.